Welcome to Speed Superbikes Limited and our video of our 1976 Suzuki GT750. It's more just a walk around to give you an idea of the condition of the bike. Give you an idea. Do have lots of paperwork which I'll go through in a second. Overall, the bike's in what I would consider, to be good condition. It's not a show bike, but it's very clean and tidy. Paintwork's all nice on the tank. We will be doing a start-up and ride-up video as well to accompany this one, or attached to this one. Seats all in good condition. So I said, registered 8th and 9th, 1976. Bike is showing 12 owners in total. The MOT status is obviously it's historic. Back tyre's good. I'm just going to get my colleague to hold the camera while I just flick through some of the paperwork. So there is quite a substantial amount. A lot of these, I will say, are for nuts and bolts. For the rebuild done in 2003 by Crooks Suzuki in Cumbria. And just seeing if I can find anything there. There's lots of Allen bolts and stuff. Head race bearings, washers, split pins, lock washers, clamps, bolts and screws. Speedo cable, water thermostat. Okay, right, cylinder cover gasket, head gasket. So again, this was all done in 2003. Fuel gasket, O-rings. So in 2004, he had some silencer work done to the bike. Headlamp brackets, rim. Brake hose kit, headlamp rim. Again, as I said, just quite a lot of wiring harness, nuts, bolts. Starter valve cap. Sorry, I know this is a bit boring, but someone has asked, and there's quite a lot of it. I know you can't really see what all these are. My colleague's arm is beginning to go, he's shaking a little bit there. Radiator cap, cover gap, gasket, stem head, just like goes on. As you can see, there's quite a lot here. New electronic ignition module kit. Rod kit, seal kit. Okay, link ring charge. Right, cylinder head repaired. Money for insurance. So I'm guessing that's going to be a top end rebuild by the looks of things. Tyres, I did notice that. Like, right, so 2015 we had a strip and ultrasonically clean carburetors. Some couple of those, nothing too interesting there, but this is all the more recent stuff. Chain and sprocket 2015. Actually, this is a bit more relevant, to be honest with you. MOT test 2016. Another MOT test. ECU, rectify fault, assembly task, clutch arm. There you go. So that's what we've got paperwork wise. My colleague's just going to remove that from me and put that away because there's quite a lot before it all falls off and scats everywhere. Again, sorry that was a little bit dull to watch, but you can always fast forward that bit and then look at that in your leisure if you like later. Again, we can't start, and I certainly won't want to start two-stroke up in the showroom. We want to start up, but we'll try and get it outside in a minute. We'll get it started up, maybe even take it for a ride. I've never actually ridden a GT750, so it'll be quite an experience for myself as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch.